Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we shall learn about 7-segment displays. 7-segment displays are output display devices that displays information in the form of decimal numbers 0 to 9. Inside a 7-segment display, there are 8 LEDs, 7 for each segment and 8 for decimal point. Some common applications of 7-segment display are digital clock, clock radios, calculators, wristwatch, speedometers, motor vehicle odometer, radio frequency indicators, etc. Now, depending on internal LED connection, 7-segment displays can be classified as common anode display and common cathode displays. In common anode display, all the anode connection of the LED segments are joined together and connected to logic 1 or high. Individual segments are illuminated by applying a ground or logic 0 via a current limiting resistor to the cathode of the particular segment. In common cathode display, all the cathode connections of the LED segment are joined together and connected to logic 0 or ground. Individual segments are illuminated by applying a high or logic 1 via a current limiting resistor to the anode of the particular segment. A 7-segment display has 10 pins, 5 pins on upper side and 5 pins on lower side. Center pin of both sides is for common terminal and internally connected, and other pins are for segments A, B, decimal point, C, D, E, G and F. So these are the logics to apply on a common anode display to display digits from 0 to 9. For example, to display digit 0, the common terminal should be connected to high, and to illuminate segment A, B, C, D, E and F should be connected to ground, and segment G and DP, which is for decimal point, should be connected to high. In a similar way, we can make connection to display digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The diagram here shows the hardware connection to display digit 2. Here the pins for segment C, F, DP and common terminals are connected to supply, and pins for segment A, B, D, E and G are connected to ground through a current limiting resistor of 220 ohm. In a similar way, we can make connection to display other digits from 0 to 9. Thank you. If you like the video, like and subscribe to our channel.